Sorry, today I'm late posting this video. I was supposed to post it yesterday, but I didn't. I was a little bit busy, but today I'm going to bring you the product of the week, the winning product of the week. It is this portable lint remover. Now, I saw ads for this back in December, and I was positive that this was a winning product. The engagement on the ad that I saw was absolutely insane. Now, I don't have AdSpy right now. I need to purchase it, and I also the ad that I had saved on my Facebook. Usually, when I find a good ad, I'll save it to my saved videos, and I think the content got removed for that, so I can't find it. But basically, I actually launched this product 2 days ago, and within the first day, I was profitable. Second day, which is today, I broke even on it. But I'm positive this is a winning product. Right now, I'm just collecting data, and then I'm going to try to scale it. But I'm not going to run any numbers, but I just want you guys to see, like, 59,000 sold here. It's 4.6 reviews, and this is obviously not a fake seller because they have a shit ton of reviews here, $23.95. If I scroll down, like, these are legitimate reviews. They're not like fake AliExpress reviews. And it's actually pretty cheap, so it's $2.24. And if we take it to e-packet shipping, you'll just add $1.58. Now $1.58. I'm not doing the math in my head right now. 158 plus 224. It's $3.82 per product, right? That's very cheap for a product that you can potentially sell for up to $20. So the website that I had found this ad, the website that I clicked on that had a lot of engagement on the ad was selling this for $16 or $17. I'm not even sure if they were charging shipping. On my website, I'm starting at $11.99 plus $2.99 shipping, so it's $15. If the product costs me $3.82 and I sell it for $15, that's over a 3 times margin. So right here, this Ecom Hunt, I found this on Ecom Hunt. They posted it 2 months ago, which is probably around December when I saw it. They probably saw the same ad as me. But yeah, so they have a selling price of $20.90. The product costs $2.90. They're not including shipping here. But there's a lot of room for profit here. I don't have Ecom Hunt Pro, so I can't see the ads that they found it on. They have a YouTube video here. But yeah, the ad that they saw it had 18K likes, 4K comments, 3.7K shares. This is a great product to sell. It costs relatively it costs nothing pretty much, and there's a lot of margin on it. So I definitely recommend selling this product. If you're new to dropshipping, you should start off with a low ticket or like semi low ticket item, because higher products tend to have a higher cost per purchase on Facebook ads. So you want to start with something small so you don't completely blow away your budget on ads. This way you also get to test out, because more likely than not, you're not going to be successful with your first product. I know I wasn't successful with a lot of my beginning stores. Yeah, this is the product of the week, a portable lint remover, extremely cheap, great for beginners, and I can guarantee you that you will be profitable with this because I am profitable with it myself. Well, I'm sorry, I can't guarantee that you will be profitable with it, but if you do it correctly, this is a winning product, and you can make money on this product, is what I'm saying. Whether or not you're going to make money, I mean, that's up to you and your marketing skills. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Sorry I don't have numbers, but I can confirm that this is a winning product because I'm currently selling it right now, and I am profitable. It's my second day selling it, and I'm in the green. So thank you everyone for watching. If you guys are enjoying the content, please subscribe, like, comment. If you guys want me to make any special videos, I'm probably going to make my next video on how to create a logo. If you don't have Photoshop, because that was an issue for me when I was first getting started. So be on the lookout for that. Please also feel free to join the Facebook group. It's in the comments in the description below, and feel free to also comment. Feel free to also follow me on Instagram. You're gonna see it like right there, or maybe right here. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm gonna put it somewhere that you guys can see it. So thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.